You can't reason with a bully. I've heard it time and time again, and it's true. You generally can't reason with a bully, but you can't bully the bully either. That simply escalates things. So, how do you deal with a bully, especially a bully at work? Especially someone who's probably in a position of power and protected by that. Every workplace I know of has a policy against retaliation, and 90% of them aren't worth the paper they're written on. So, how do you deal with the workplace bully? I'll tell you how I deal with them. I deal with them by speaking to their core values. No, this isn't frou-frou, and this isn't loving on them. Yes, I understand that hurt people, and that is part of the problem. That is very much sometimes at the core of the problem, but not always. Some of these people are simply power hungry. Yet when you learn their core values and speak to their core values, it does something to the dynamics of the situation. And it restructures that dynamic to where they don't have any traction anymore to start an argument. And they don't quite know how to respond to that when it first starts happening. And when that changes that dynamic, they're no longer in charge. All of a sudden, there's a level playing field, and they're not used to that. When you learn their core values and you are suddenly speaking to them on that level playing field, that dismantles that power structure. It also shines a light on everything that's happening so that the other people around them somehow suddenly realize that they have been co-opted and recruited into the bullying dynamic. And a lot of people don't want to be co-opted into that bullying dynamic. They don't want to be recruited into that. And when they suddenly see that they've been manipulated, they opt out. So what I do is I teach people how to learn the core values of their colleagues, their coworkers, their administrators, their middle managers, their supervisors, so they can find those core values and speak to those people in a position of power over them who may be using that position to an advantage that allows them to bully. And what you can do is you can use what we call a bank code, a personality code that we call a bank code. And these bank code personalities are all based on the values of the person you're speaking to. And you can use this to find those core values and speak to those core values and diffuse these situations. It's used for conflict resolution. It's used for negotiations. It's used for customer satisfaction. If you'd like to do a deep dive on this, we're doing a workshop on July 23rd called Effective Communication in the Workplace. Or if you'd like something more intimate, contact me and we'll do a discovery call and see what meets your needs. I'm Dr. Nan Nessel of Beat Down Burnout, and I am here to serve you. I am here to make people matter, to make you matter. Thank you.